You guys always come in clutch helping your girl out. I was told to use T14 instead of T18. So what did I do? I placed a Sally 2-hour delivery order, and yes, they have delivered it already. So T18, here we go. Did y'all know that if y'all go on Sally's, like some of the stuff can be delivered to your house within 2 hours? I think that is so cool. Never knew that. Did I know that? I don't think I did. I never utilized it. This is my first time. Well, no. Since I started dabbling in my color, I've been doing the delivery because I don't have time to be going to Sally's. Oh yeah, I got more than just that. I got some lash glue, which obviously we won't be using that right now, but I got T14 and I got the developer. We're gonna do that today to try to get rid of this orange because we wasn't going for this look. I'm like eating chips and salsa, and then I made myself iced coffee. I've already wet my hair because you're supposed to apply toner to like towel dried hair. Okay. Now, we're gonna give it a go. Like I had did my sides too when I, did my whole head, and I missed some spots, right? But I realized that I really hate it, so I'm just gonna, let this grow out for the next week. And actually, I'm already seeing black peeking through there, so it's gonna be fine. In about a week, it'll be fine. We're gonna be looking fine. Should I take it off? Should I leave it on? Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I know in like every video I'm wearing this pink sweatshirt. I live in it. Feeling the need to explain it, but I'm a Taurus. We're over-explainers. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this in. I'm just gonna put it in with my hands. Okay. Oh, hey Google, 30-minute timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
Because the instructions say to not process for more than 30 minutes. So I'm just like, I like to set the timer for the duration of like even applying it. So I hope this works because I don't want orange here. I had did some research before buying it because I really do trust you guys, and I feel like y'all be having my best interests at heart. But I did do some research before ordering. Homegirl seems to know what she's talking about. I just wanted a cooler tone. I didn't want this brassy orange. Yeah, and actually I have zero regrets for like what I'm doing with my hair. Y'all know everything that I've wanted to do to my hair. I just do it now. Life is too short to be just worried about your hair and feeling like you gotta be conservative with your hair just because of work or whatever. Even though I do understand a girl, we gotta be able to make our money. So if you're being more conservative with your hair because of work, like do you know what I mean? But for me, no, I'm gonna do what I want to do with my hair because my work is a little bit different. So I'll attract brands that are more authentic to me because I'm being myself and I'm doing what I want to do. And I worked with just way too many brands who wanted complete creative control over my content, and that stuff's just not flying by, right? So I'm doing what I want, doing what I want, doing what I want. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Hey Google, how much time is left on the timer?
About 14 minutes and 47 seconds.
14 minutes. Oh. Oh, I like it. Okay, yeah, this is more of what I was going for, like more muted. Okay. But is it turning gray? Because I don't want gray. Should I rinse it out right now? Because I don't want it to have been like too soon because the top looking gray. Here we are, fresh out of the shower. Let me turn the light off so you guys can see. Much better. Thank you, girl. Sungjad 8695, you came through. You know what you're talking about. Okay, so pattern leave-in and pattern curl gel has been my jam. So just take some of the leave-in and my towel's about to fall. Okay, so we've got our leave-in, and then I'm gonna take the curl gel. Notice I'm not combing the product through. With all of the processing, my hair has dropped some. What do you call it? I've lost some of my coils. They've definitely dropped some. So what I've been doing is just rubbing through to distribute, and then I take the blow dryer and I flip my head upside down and I let it do its thing. I used to have a diffuser. The rabbit came through and completely damaged my cord to my blow dryer that had a diffuser attachment. Oh, so I no longer have a diffuser. Don't get animals. Alright, here's the finished look. My hair is all toned. T14 has done me right. Thank you so much for suggesting that I use T14, not T18. And yeah, until next time, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.